One of the most important elements of the Regional Innovation Scheme program is to find the most promising innovation projects in the developing regions. We are really happy to support those project teams with grants, with mentoring, coaching and networking opportunities.
We scout for research teams, startups and students and support them throughout the innovation pathway.
I feel that EIT Health is providing us with strong guidelines about how to organize our research. And I think that's a great thing because by doing this we are actually having a more meaningful research activity and bringing our products and pushing ourselves and our research towards the market.
In the matchmaking event today, I'm planning to meet people from decision-making level at the various chains of hospitals throughout the European Union, as well as academic researchers and also colleagues from other companies working on medical devices in a similar area as our company is. I hope that these new connections will help to start new collaborations in the region.
This kind of networking program provided by EIT Health, it will be possible for a small company based in a very far region of the European Union to get access to more than one hospitals provided in the entire European Union territory.
We are quite active in the education pillar. We have got a so-called Hello AI Summer School. It's focusing on using artificial intelligence in healthcare. And we involve a number of students from the RIS region. They are very keen on learning new things. They are very keen on being involved in such kind of activities.
So what EIT Health is providing this group is the opportunity to open their horizons, to go beyond their frontiers, the physical frontiers, and to collaborate with these wonderful partners that we have within EIT Health.